guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. I'm Sagrika and I'm back with some new tips and tricks for you. And today in my video, I'm gonna show you what's there in my bag. You know, my bag is really very mysterious. I have so many things in my bag and I'm really excited to show you. So my bag is gonna be mysterious box today because I'm gonna show you a lot of things I keep in my bag and I'm gonna reveal all my secret what I keep in my bag. So let's start with it. So girls, here is my bag. And I know this is very big because I generally use it when I travel. I keep all my things in this bag and I'm gonna reveal all the things and it also has this belt with it, so if I want to hang it on my shoulder I can also hang it. And I like this color. It's a beautiful beige color. I bought this bag from Malaysia and this is my favorite bag because it easily keep all my things. It's very easy to carry. It also has this belt, and I have also hanged this cute little teddy in my bag because this is really very close to my heart. This was gifted to me by my husband, so I always want to keep it with me, so I've hanged this in my bag. So now without wasting much time, let's check out what's there in my bag. So girls, let's have a quick look to all the things that I keep in my bag. So first is this color bar makeup remover wet wipes. This is very important whenever I feel like removing my makeup or I want to feel refreshed. I keep this to make me refresh anytime, anywhere. So now next is of course a very essential thing, and that is comb. I can comb my hair anywhere, anytime. And next is diary and pen. Of course I'm not a writer, but if I like any quotation or any good content for my YouTube videos, or I have a habit to write it, so I keep this diary and pen. Now moving on, next this is pain balm. Generally I have a backache or headache, so I keep this pain balm with me. And next is of course deodorant. I love this Adidas Woman fruity flavor deodorant, so I keep this in my bag. Now next is my card holder. I have all my ID cards and my business card in this card holder, and I have also this passport size. Sorry, I have to show you, I'm looking so bad in this, but I keep this in my card holder. This is very important thing, you know. And now next is of course Lifelines glares. This is beautiful glares from Aldo. I just love it and I think it suits me. What do you think? And if you really like it, you can buy it online. And next is perfume. I really like this miniature cute bottle and its fragrance is really amazing. I bought this from Dubai and this is really very pocket friendly. I can carry it anywhere. And next is this Rajnigandha Silver Pearls Dil Bada To Tu Bada. Just kidding. Okay, so I keep this flavored cardamom seeds, elaichi. This is breath refreshing mints. Because I don't believe in eating a lot of chewing gum, so I keep this cardamom seeds. This really quickly refreshes my breath. So this is really important thing. And now moving on, next. And this is also a lifeline, that is my iPhone charger. I can't live without it because I'm very fond of clicking selfies and pictures, so my phone battery die within I guess 3 to 4 hours, so it's very important to keep this. Now next is my earphones. And now let's check out what else I have. Okay, this is my favorite product. This is Azafran Organics Multi-Fruit Refreshing Facial Mist. Whenever I feel dull, I just use this mist. It quickly soothes and brightens up skin and adding a fine layer of moisture to my skin. So this is really very important product. It really make me feel refreshed. Okay, so now next, very important again, this is hand sanitizer. And now next, a claw. Whenever I get irritated with my hair, I use this claw and tie them and make a bun. So this is really very important. And now next, Okay, so this is one more pocket perfume from Engage. Actually, this is men, but I really like this fragrance, so I keep it in my bag. And now a moisturizer from Biotech, and of course, a lot of money because we can't live without money. This is very important, most important thing in my bag. And now next, okay, so this is my small essential bag. This is really very cute. I like the color. I bought this from Bangkok street market, and this bag looks really very small, but this is a lifesaver because it has so many things inside it. Let me show you. It has a Vaseline, a rubber band, a cute small face wash from Himalaya, and then this color Jolt matte Maybelline lipstick. This is my favorite. You can see there's so many things already in my hand, and there's so many things inside. And this is spray mint orange flavor, very important. And I have Nivea lip balm in this, and my kajal and my mascara. So you can see this small cute little bag has so many essential things, and this is so pocket friendly. I can keep so many things inside it, and I just love it. So now let's move ahead. And now next I have one more cute little bag, and in this I have all my makeup essentials. This is my blush on from Maybelline, my MAC lipstick, my brow bar, and this compact powder from Maybelline again, and this is really important, that is my BB cream, Pond's BB cream. So I keep all these things in this bag, and this is really cute. You can see the color, it has also cute butterfly in it. And now my eyeliner and my brush. Now I also have something in this pocket. Let's check out what's that. So I have a very important thing, that is my pen drive. I always keep pen drive in my bag, and my room keys. This is so cute, see this cute keychain. And let's check out what else I have. Yes, I have few more my wardrobe keys, and I think that's it. Now my bag is vacant, and that's all I have in my bag. Let's have a close look to all the things that I keep in my bag. I hope you really like it, and you will take some inspiration, and you gonna update your bag today itself. And girls, I hope you really like my today's video, and if you really like it, please give it a thumbs up. And for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Now me Sagrika signing off. Bye, take care, love you all, and buy a new bag today.